This is number 8 on page 749, and in this problem I've got 2 dice that have been rolled, and I'm supposed to find the probability of these 4 events. So an easy thing to do when we're talking about sums of 2 dice, to sort of sort it out and organize your thoughts, is to make this the values that are possible on one die, and this the values that are possible that come up on the other dice. And then when you toss the 2 of them, you have all of these combinations of the sums. So you just like add the intersections, like 3 and 5 is, the sum is 8, etc. And then you can see all the, the diagonal patterns and the vertical patterns and horizontal patterns in this table of sums. So altogether, there are 6 times 6, or 36 possible sums of 2 dice. So anyway, in part A, we're supposed to find the probability out of the 36 that the sum is 10. So I see 1, 2, 3, 10. So the probability that the sum is 10 is 3 out of 36, which is 1 out of 12, 1/12. The probability that the sum is at least 10 would be everything in this bottom corner, the 10s, the 11s, or the 12s. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the probability that the sum is greater than or equal to 10 is 6 out of 36, or 1/6. Okay, the probability that one die shows a 4. So probability of 4 on one of the die. So if I look at a 4 on one of the die, I notice that the sum of 8 right here, this is a 4 on both the die, that intersection. But if I count everything else in this column, where if this die came up with a 4, and in this row, except for the 8, I should get the number out of 36 that have exactly 1 4. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 out of 36, which is a probability of 5 over 18. And then the last one, the probability at least one die shows a 4. That's going to include this one, so it's either one die or 2 dies. So the probability of at least one die with 4 is really the probability of, we're adding together the probability that there's a 4 on one die with the probability that it's on 2 die, like right here. So how many situations, like in the table, have at least one die with the 4? Would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, because I already counted the 8. So that would be 11 out of 36. So that's it, maybe for helping you organize a dice problem.